Erica, those are pretty.
Is that the forefathers would have wanted it? Well, that was weak.
Ooh. And you can zoom in, you know. You have to stop the film first and then zoom in and restart it.
Mine's zoomed enough.
No, it's not. You could get so much better on yours. On that one. You wanted to use mine and I'll use Phil's?
I got it here.
Did you zoom in?
Is that better?
Yeah.
But I can't focus right.
Huh?
I'm not focusing right. So.
It's on fine or standard. You could have turned it on fine.
But we don't have enough time then.
Yeah, we will. You have 20 minutes, Cameron.
If we put it on fine, it'll be like 2.
Who will? How it's like when you're in the field with everybody, nobody talks. Everybody just fucking shuts off.
They should cut the power for as long as this is.
Yeah, that'd be cool. I wish they would cut all the trees down.
Should we go down then?
I wish they'd shoot all the immigrants.
Yeah,
Erica, it's the 4th of July.
Independence!
Keep our country strong.
Erica.
We don't even have an official language.
Aryan race.
We're wasting billions of dollars printing up driving tests in Spanish because they float over in a SpongeBob.
Erica, you're really hater.